What's up, young world? What's up, young world? Great morning! Let's go! So, the thing is, I want to show you guys what I do in the morning. My name is Wesley Virgin Has. Let's go! Every morning when I wake up, so I'm in the bathroom right now. I'm washing my face, right? I'm getting ready to go to the gym, all right? I want to show you how a millionaire gets up. I want to show you how a billionaire gets up. So listen close, see? So when I'm washing my face, I'm getting ready for my day, right? I just woke up. All praises to the Most High, God is the greatest. All praises to the Most High, God is the greatest. So, after I wash my face, right? See that? I'm washing it good, but see, the thing is, I got a mirror right here, and I'm looking at myself right now. I'm looking in the mirror just like I'm looking at you. And every morning, even when I was broke, I would say, Wesley Virgin, you are the best. Wesley Virgin, you are amazing. Wesley Virgin, you are successful. Wesley Virgin, you are wealthy. Wesley Virgin, you are a God. So, but I want you guys to listen to something here because, see, all of you want to be rich. If you want to be rich, I want you to say, let's go below. If you truly desire to make a lot of money, I want you below. I want you to type the words, let's go. If you honestly want your situation to change, see, understand this. This is what I learned when I was broke. This is what I learned when I was broke. Wanting to be successful, or wanting to be rich, or wanting to have a better life wasn't enough. I can't lay in my bed or sit on my hands with my hands in my pockets, hoping and believing that something is going to change. See, what I learned through my journey when I was just like you, when I had much of nothing, I learned that motion creates emotion, which means it's this. Every morning, I must have a conversation with myself. See, you want to really know why I make millions of dollars every single month? It's because I have a conversation with myself. See, I demand shit to happen for me. I say, Wesley, today is the breakthrough day for you. $3 million per month, period. See, I demand it. You're casual. See, you're casual. You're watching me right now, maybe laying down, sitting down, driving your car, and you wonder why nothing is transitioning in your life. You got to be enthusiastic. I call it act as if. You got to act as if you are a winner now. Some of you are losing right now, but you got to act as if you are winning. Some of you are broke right now, but you got to act as if you are wealthy. Some of you are depressed and disappointed right now, but you got to act as if you are courageous. You got to act as if everything is working out. And how do you do that? You get up. Get up. When you're washing your face in the bathroom, you say, you know what? I'm a winner. I'm a winner, baby. Today is my day. Today is happening, baby. I'm wealthy, baby. Let's go. $3 million per month, baby. Let's go. $100 per day, baby. Let's go. I'm going to kill this gym today. Let's go. I'm finna work my body today. Let's go. I'm healthy today. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm talking to you. You're watching me. You're still not doing nothing. Everybody that is watching this video, okay? If you want your situation to change, you must change you. Nobody outside of you is going to make it happen. Your mama, your daddy, your professor, your preacher, your minister, your pastor, it doesn't matter. No one outside of you is going to change you. You got to get up. And listen to me. If you're still sitting there watching me and your desire is to change your life, make millions of dollars, travel around the world, buy the cars that you want, buy the jewelry that you want, buy the shoes that you want, buy the condos that you want around the world. If you're still sitting there doing nothing, I love you, but you will always be a loser. You will always be a loser because you're not willing to do what it really takes to make transition in your life. See, when you move, when you talk to yourself, you can feel that. You feel this video. Hit the like button if you feel it. Let's go! Hit the like button if you can feel. Hit the like button if you can feel the message right now. Every morning, I'm already rich. I say that very humbly. I'm already wealthy. But just because I'm wealthy doesn't mean I don't practice the same thing that I give you. The link is in the description, but many of you have not clicked the link in the description. Many of you have not looked up and clicked the link in the bio. Why? Because you're afraid of failure. You're skeptic. You're too negative to see the light. You're in such a dark place that you can't see the light that is right there in front of you. So what I'm going to do real quickly, I'm going to let you go. Many of you have already clicked the link in my bio. That's all good. Because, see, you're alliance. If you're on YouTube right now, it's in the description below. If you're on Instagram right now, it's in my bio. All you need to do is take action. And guess what? You got to be consistent. I've been doing this for 5 years, every morning, talking to myself, claiming and affirming my affirmations, feeling my affirmations, feeling my affirmations. Listen to me, young world. Feeling my affirmations. Claiming them as they are real right now. So, I'm going to give you mine because I got to go to the gym. Listen closely. Before you click the link in the bio, before you click the link in the description right now, I, Wesley, $1 billion virgin, is going to give you his mantra. I say this every single day. I said this when I had nothing and it works. I am so grateful now that I earn $3 million per month easily, effortlessly, flying in my private jet around the world, motivating, inspiring billions of people just like you. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go! Later. I gotta go.